Good day, guys. Here is another week. So, a recap for the past 2 weeks now, we've been very profitable. Can say this. We took this trade. Let me show you where I marked. We took this trade. Why last week we took this trade. Now another week, which is this week. Which is this week. We are going to take another trade, which is here. So before I explain today's analysis, let me just take you back to my analysis last week. So reason why I took this trade last 2 weeks, let's start from last 2 weeks. Reason why I took this trade around here is there's liquidity here, and I noticed that the market has broken structure around here. This week doesn't represent break of structure with me because candle didn't close out there, but after I saw these two candles close above here, that I know that market has broken structure. So immediately market retraces back here. It is now an uptrend, so all I was looking for is buy. After I took out liquidity, I noticed the buyers present here at the beginning of the week, which is 2 Mondays ago. We took the trade around here and got out around here, which we got out early. While last week on, we expect the market to touch here after taking out this liquidity, but it didn't get here. It gave us buyers present around here, and we took the trade and got out around here. So this week, let's repeat history. So there's not much about this week. If you are watching this video, make sure you subscribe and explain and follow up, because I drop these analysis every week, every Sunday or early Monday morning. So this market haven't make one huge movement this week, so we are still waiting. So what zone am I waiting for? Just know I always wait for two things. Once I notice structure, break of structure, that's my first thing. Once I notice break of structure, which has already happened, I wait for retracement. Then after retracement is happening, I'll look for liquidity in the market we took out. There's liquidity here, there's liquidity here. So after market taking out these two liquidity, I'll start looking for buyers present. Also, there is liquidity here too. Market might get here, it might not get here. Just know that this is the zone I'm waiting for presently. This is the only zone I'm waiting for. Now, immediately market gets here, I'll look for buyers present this week, and I will actually buy the market. So, but we don't own the market. We have to look for what the market is doing. Market might decide to start moving upward from here. It has already taken out this liquidity, but it haven't taken out this liquidity. But I can't just jump in there like that. I have to, once the market starts making retracement, listen, if the market is in an uptrend and it already starts making retracement, all I'll be looking for is buyers present before I can actually enter my buy. Before any impulsive move can happen in the market, buyers present must happen. There's buyers present here. Pushed up. I dropped the setup in my group. I dropped the signal. So if you want to follow up with me, you can go to the description, test me, and let's talk about joining my group, so you won't miss out on trade. For the past 2 weeks, it has been massive for us on Gbpusd. It has been massive for us and profitable for us. From here to here, from here again to here. Now it's retracing back again. Let's repeat history. So presently now it has taken out one liquidity, which is here. You can see market has taken out one liquidity, which is here. There's still more liquidity here. There's more liquidity here. But if I notice a buyer's present after taking out this first liquidity, I'm going to call out buy, which our risk reward ratio will be very short too. Stop loss will be small, take profits will be large, and will make massive amount of money. Okay, so if you haven't joined my group, you are missing out. And also, I'm going to drop this analysis here. If you know, you can follow up. If you understand buyers present, sellers present in the market, liquidities and structure, then you don't actually need me. To be sincere, you don't need me. You just have to pay attention with the market and be serious. Okay, so structure has been broken. It has formed higher high. Market is retracing. It has taken out more liquidities. There are still more liquidities though. So what I'm waiting for is market to take out more liquidities and come to this zone, or market should give me buyers present around here, from between here to here. Whenever I see buyers present, I'm going to shoot my buy immediately. I'm going to drop it in the group. So for this week, I'm still expecting buy. GBP/USD is still bullish. We are still expecting buy for the week. So That's it for GBPUSD. All I'm expecting, waiting for is buy. Last week, I'm actually seeing some people saying they are going to start buying from here. Immediately the market got here, some actually bought. On Twitter, I saw a lot of people dropping their setup. Sorry about that. Twitter is full of traders who doesn't know what they are doing. Markets got here, they don't even wait for buyers and sellers present or maybe 30 minutes on 1 hour time frame. They jumped in and entered buy. They were happy at first, but what happened? Later hit their stop loss. That's why it's always, you always have to understand what you are doing before you trade. And also, if you have problem with passing your prop firm, test me, check the description. We have a lot of testimony. A lot of people actually come to me. Prop firm is actually different from trading your real accounts. Prop firm comes with rules and regulations, so you have to know how you manage your risks, the type of trade you have to trade, the type of analysis you have to be doing. Some use bigger time frame, some use smaller time frame. Prop firm, it works differently actually. So coming back to what I'm saying, on bullish, I'm expecting buy. That's what I'm expecting on bullish. Liquidity one has been taken out. Let's see if it will take out more and wait for buyers present, and then we will shoot. So that's it. There won't be much that shows. Analysis is easy like that. It's easy. Structure has been broken. Retracement has already started. One liquidity has been taken out. What we are looking for is take out more liquidities and wait for buyers present, then we shoot. So that's what we're expecting for the week. You don't have to rush trade. And remember, we don't only trade this, we actually trade. Yeah. Okay. There's liquidity here too. Market has already broken structure. There's liquidity here too. Yeah. Last week trade for this one. We actually took a trade last week. This one was very massive for us. Gold. You know how volatile gold is. Exactly as we were expecting. Immediately market took out this liquidity last week. Immediately it took out this liquidity, we noticed the buyer's presence. Took out this liquidity, test this zone. What will happen? We notice the buyer's presence because this is the zone I actually drew. GBPUSD don't reach the zone, we only see a buyer's presence after taking out this liquidity. That's how we look for entry on 30 minutes. But this one, after taking out this liquidity, it's come into the zone directly. And immediately, let me zoom in, let me delete this trend line. I will explain the trend, why I draw the trend line later. After taking out this liquidity, come to the zone, then we'll notice buyers present. Immediately we enter our buy, set our TP here, and you can see market goes up, comes down, it's push up heavily, hit our TP, and we are in massive profit. So last week we were blessed. Last 2 weeks we don't take trade on GPP and gold last 2 weeks because it doesn't get to where we were expecting. This is where I was expecting, like it will actually sell, come here, but the market actually respect this. And before we could see a buyer's presence, it's been too late around here, so we can't even rush in to trade again. So we actually leave it out while we enjoy profit on the profit that we've entered early on GBPUSD. So last week on we are in massive profit, took a trade from here, got at around here. So this week on we're about to repeat this trade again. So this is the zone I'm drawing presently now for this week. This is the liquidity I'm expecting the market to take out. No, as we were expecting market to take out this liquidity and touch it, but which it didn't happen. Hope never lost. So expecting market to take out this liquidity, and you can see this trend line might also be a confluence for us. Market might actually sell here, expect the zone, take out the liquidity and touch the trend line and start buying. So I don't buy until market. After I analyze, all I have to do is wait for market to give me what I'm waiting for. I don't rush in, I don't FOMO in. You can see market, like I said, what I always look for, market has already broken structure here, number one. Number two is already making retracements. So another one, take out liquidity, then test our zone, then we'll look for buyers present. What will happen? We shoot again and buy. So that's what we are waiting for. I hope you understand. So that will be all for this week. I dropped only 2 setup, which is GBPUSD and Xauusd, which is gold. So all you have to do is with this, make sure you follow up. Those who don't follow up last week, they missed out. And also, if you watch this video till here, patient enough, kindly subscribe, kindly share, and kindly like, so it will get to a lot of people. We can grow this community together and hit 1,000 subscribers. Yes, we can do that. Kindly share, subscribe, like, and drop your comment. If you want maybe me to analyze, maybe you don't trade gold or GBPUSD and you want me to analyze any of the currencies you trade, you can just drop the comments. Which I will do one time immediately. So my details will be in the description if you want anything, if you want to test me or ask me any questions, to personal questions. So that's it for this week. So you can see we're expecting this to come here after taking out this liquidity and look for buyers, and then we'll buy. And also if you want to follow up with me, if you know you want to follow up with me, then come to the description and chat me up. So I will add you to the group and you can follow up with me and you won't miss the trade. We've already done this, okay? We've done this last week, we've done this 2 weeks ago. We can do it again. We can surely do it again. And we have two we are waiting for now: GBPUSD and Xauusd. So that's it for this week. That's the setup for this week. I can also follow up with more YouTube videos. Like I will drop more YouTube videos how the market is going in this week either. Okay, but this is my GBPUSD and Xauusd analysis for this week. So have a great week ahead of you, and thank you.